In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a live account on Vantage. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google and type in Vantage account closure request. And then here you want to find this website, which is account closure request from Vantage Markets. And make sure it's actually from vantagemarkets.com, okay? So click on that, and then you can just double check that it's actually the exact same website I'm on right now, as you can see over here. There we go. And then it's going to say want to close your live account. Now, what you're going to have to do here is you want to complete this form, have to put in your full name, your email, and then your MT4/MT5 account number. This is this number over here, okay, inside your accounts. Just put that in here. Basically describe the reason for termination, and then if you want to put any additional feedback, you can do that as well. And then you have to confirm this, and you have to confirm that you have closed all open positions, withdrawn your account funds, and then of course you wish to proceed to close your live trading account. Okay, so only do this if you actually have done that already. If you haven't, go back, put the funds off there, close all the open positions, and then check this, click on submit, and then you're good to go. They will review it, and then your live account is gonna get deleted. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.